Okay. Okay, wait. Before we start, I have to ask you something.
Oh no, that sentence is never good. What?
Do you ever have that feeling like Sunday night and your stomach feels heavy?
Oh no, yes, that feeling. I hate it.
Right? Like tomorrow is school. Tomorrow is Monday.
Tomorrow is pain
Pain with a backpack.
and homework you didn't do,
Exactly. Homework you forgot or you said, I'll do it later.
and later never came.
Never. Later is a liar.
Wow, we started already, huh?
Yeah, it just came out.
Talking about school just lives inside us.
You know what's funny?
What?
I finished school years ago, but when I talk about it, my body still reacts.
Same, my shoulders go up.
My back hurts just thinking about those chairs.
Oh, the chairs. Why were they so hard?
And so small.
For kids, yes, but somehow still wrong.
And the desks with your name carved on it?
Or someone else's name and bad words.
Always bad words.
Always.
Okay, wait, we should probably say hello to people.
Oh yeah, people are here.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, guys.
You're listening to, well, us.
Just two people talking.
This is the One English Podcast.
I'm Sam,
I'm Wally.
and today, clearly,
Yeah, we are talking about school.
school, the place of memories, good and bad.
Mostly bad.
Hey, some good, some good.
Okay, some good.
If this is your first time listening,
Welcome.
we just talk.
No lessons.
No teachers.
Just real English.
Real life,
Real mistakes.
real laughing.
And real pain.
Exactly.
And hey, if you like this,
You can like the video,
subscribe.
and please leave a comment.
Tell us your school story.
Good or bad.
Or very bad.
We love very bad stories.
Okay, so,
School.
school.
Let's start easy.
Okay.
Did you like school?
No.
Wow. No thinking, just no.
I mean, I tried. I really tried.
Yeah?
I woke up, I went, I sat, I listened.
That's trying.
But inside, I was always thinking,
What?
when is this over?
Yes, always.
Every class, every day,
Even the first class?
especially the first class.
Oh no, mornings.
Mornings were evil.
Evil mornings.
Cold air, dark sky.
And you're still sleepy.
Your brain is sleeping.
Your eyes are open, but no one is home.
Exactly.
And the teacher is already talking,
Talking fast.
writing on the board.
White chalk.
The sound.
That sound was pain.
Nails in the brain.
Yes.
Okay, what about you? Any good school memories?
Mm.
See, that pause.
Okay. I had one good thing.
One?
Recess.
Yes.
Recess was life.
Recess was freedom.
No teacher.
No books.
Just running.
Talking.
Eating smacks.
Trading snacks.
Oh, trading snacks.
That was business.
Real business.
I give you chips, you give me chocolate.
And sometimes cheating.
Always cheating.
You give small chips.
And ask for big chocolate.
Exactly.
I liked school more than you, I think.
Really?
Yeah,
Why?
I liked people.
Friends?
Friends, talking, laughing.
Yeah, okay, that part was good.
Teachers, not always.
Not always is kind.
Okay, teachers were scary.
Some were nice.
Some,
Some were like robots.
yes, no smile.
No jokes.
Just rules.
Sit. Quiet. Write.
Don't talk.
Don't move.
Don't breathe.
Exactly.
Did you ever get in trouble?
Define trouble.
That means yes.
Yeah, I talked too much.
Same.
I couldn't stop.
The teacher turns around.
And says your name.
Full name.
Oh, full name is danger.
When they say your full name, it's over.
You know you messed up.
Did you ever get sent out of class?
Once.
Once? Only once?
Okay, maybe more.
How many?
Let's say enough.
I was sent out many times.
Really?
Yeah, I laughed.
In class?
Yeah, something small happens and I start laughing.
And you can't stop.
You try to stop,
Your face hurts.
your stomach hurts,
Tears in your eyes.
and the teacher is angry,
Very angry.
and you're still laughing.
Worst feeling.
The worst. What about exams?
Oh no. Oh yes.
I hate exams.
Me too.
That silence in the room,
Everyone writing.
pens moving,
Clock ticking.
tick, tick, tick,
Pressure.
sweat.
Yes.
You look at the paper,
And your brain is empty.
empty, like white.
Nothing inside.
But yesterday you knew everything.
Yesterday you were smart.
Today you are potato.
Yes. Potato brain.
Did you ever cheat?
Hmm.
That pause again.
Maybe a little.
Same.
Looking left.
Looking right.
Trying to see answers.
The teacher walks.
Heart beating.
Boom, boom, boom.
Fear.
Okay, be honest.
Okay.
Worst school subject.
Math.
Of course.
Numbers hate me.
Math hates everyone.
The teacher explains,
And you nod,
like you understand.
but you don't.
Not at all.
Same.
What about you?
History.
Really?
Too many dates.
Yeah.
Too many names.
Long stories.
And exams like, what happened in 18 something something?
I don't know.
I wasn't there.
Exactly.
But you know what?
What?
School also gave us stories.
True.
Stories we still tell
Like this one.
right now.
Yeah.
Did you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, one.
What were they like?
Kind.
That already sounds good.
They talked to us like humans.
Not robots.
They joked.
Oh, jokes in class are gold.
Yes, class felt fast.
Time moved.
I listened.
That's rare.
Very rare.
I had one too.
Yeah?
English teacher.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's why I like English now.
They planted a seed.
Yeah. Did you ever skip school?
Uh,
That laugh says yes.
once or twice.
What did you do?
Nothing special.
Best answer.
Just not school.
That's special. Stayed home, watched TV.
Freedom.
Freedom with fear.
Fear your parents find out.
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about homework.
Ugh.
The word itself is heavy.
Homework should be illegal.
Yes.
School at home.
Double pain.
Teachers say it's easy.
It's never easy.
Never.
And it takes hours.
Hours and tears.
Tears, snacks, and sadness.
Did you do homework alone?
Mostly.
I copied.
From friends?
Yeah.
Classic.
Okay, last question for now.
Okay.
If you could go back one day, one school day,
Yeah?
thinking hard.
Only if I don't have homework.
Fair.
And only if it's recess all day.
Best school ever.
Yeah.
Wow, we have so many school stories.
Too many.
We can talk forever.
And we will.
Yeah, we will.
Let's keep going.
Yeah, let's go back to that one time
Oh no. Which one?
when you forgot your bag.
Oh no. Don't remind me.
Okay, tell the story.
Okay. Okay, so where was I?
You were about to die from shame.
Yes. That morning,
The famous morning.
I wake up late.
Already bad.
My mom is shouting,
Always shouting.
"You're late. Go, go."
Panic mode.
I grab my jacket.
Shoes?
Wrong shoes.
Of course.
I run.
No breakfast?
No breakfast.
Tragic.
I get to school
Breathing like a dog.
exactly like that.
And then
I sit down.
class starts.
Teacher says, "Open your books."
Uh-oh.
I look left.
Nothing.
I look right.
Still nothing.
I look down.
No bag.
No bag.
No bag?
No bag. I forgot my whole bag.
That's impressive.
Books, notebook, pencil, everything.
Just you.
Just me and fear.
What did you do?
I sat there,
Invisible?
trying to be invisible.
Didn't work.
Never works.
Teacher sees you.
Always.
Where's your bag?
Everyone looks at me.
Eyes everywhere.
I say, at home.
Honest.
Too honest.
Teacher face?
Disappointed.
Worse than angry.
Much worse.
School shame stays forever.
Forever.
I had a similar thing.
Oh no.
I forgot my homework.
Classic.
Teacher asks.
Your turn.
I say, I did it, but
But
I forgot it.
that sentence never works.
Never.
Teachers hear it every day.
They don't believe.
They never believe.
They say again.
Again.
You know what I hated?
What?
Reading out loud.
Oh no.
Worst thing.
Your heart jumps.
Teacher says your name.
Page number.
Read.
And English is not your first language.
Exactly.
Your mouth is dry.
Your voice shakes,
You see the words.
but they move.
Dancing words.
Yes.
You make mistakes.
People giggle.
Or you hear that one laugh.
The quiet laugh.
The evil laugh.
Yes.
Did you ever pretend to read?
How?
Moving your mouth,
Oh,
but no sound.
I did that.
Teacher notices.
Always.
Louder.
Death.
Instant death.
School had so much fear.
Small fears every day.
Big fears on exam day.
True.
But also, friends helped.
Yes.
Sitting next to a friend,
Whispering.
passing notes,
Oh, notes.
little papers,
With jokes.
with drawings.
Sometimes love letters.
Dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Teacher finds it,
Reads it.
reads it out loud.
Nightmare.
Did that happen to you?
Once.
Oh, no.
I wrote something stupid.
Of course.
Teacher reads it.
In front of class?
Yes.
I'm dying for you.
I died that day.
School trauma.
What about lunchtime?
Ah, lunch.
Best and worst.
Food was questionable.
That's a nice word.
Very nice.
But sitting with friends,
Talking,
laughing,
sharing food,
that was good.
until the bell rings.
Bell is enemy.
Bell ruins happiness.
Yes.
Did you ever have a crush at school?
That's a yes.
Maybe.
Everyone did.
Looking from far,
Never talking.
heart racing.
Passing by slowly.
So dramatic.
Everything felt big.
Huge.
A look was a story.
A smile was a movie. Yes.
And if they sit next to you,
You forget your name.
you forget English.
You forget breathing.
Exactly.
School emotions were crazy.
Very intense.
Happy, sad, fear.
All in one day.
What about school trips?
Oh, school trips.
Finally, something good.
Bus rides.
Sitting with friends.
Singing.
Loud singing.
Teacher yelling,
Be quiet.
but smiling.
Yeah.
Trips felt like freedom.
No real classes.
Just walking,
Eating snacks.
taking photos.
Did something bad happen on a trip?
Always.
Tell me.
Someone gets lost.
Of course.
Someone cries.
Always.
Someone forgets lunch.
Tragic.
School trip chaos.
Do you remember your first day of school?
Yes.
Really?
I was small.
Scared?
Very scared.
Parents leave.
Worst moment.
You stand there.
Holding a bag bigger than you.
Yes.
Teacher smiles.
Fake smile.
Maybe.
I cried.
Me too.
All kids cry.
Some hide it.
I didn't.
Brave.
Funny how school starts with crying,
And ends with crying.
graduation crying.
Full circle.
Yeah.
Do you miss school?
Sometimes.
Same.
Not the homework,
Not the exams.
but the simple days.
Seeing friends every day.
No bills.
No work stress.
Only school stress.
Smaller stress.
True.
If school had no grades.
I would love it.
If school had no exams.
Perfect.
Just learning.
Just talking.
Like this podcast.
Exactly.
You know, many people listening now,
Yeah?
they're in school.
Oh, yes.
Maybe right now.
Listening secretly.
In class.
Careful.
If that's you,
We see you.
we feel you.
School is hard.
But it ends.
One day.
Okay, before we go deeper,
Yeah?
I want to ask you something.
Okay.
The worst teacher moment ever.
Oh, no.
The worst.
Okay.
Take your time.
So one day,
I'm ready.
I walk into class late.
Already danger.
Teacher stops.
Silence.
Looks at me.
Oh no.
Says nothing.
Worse.
Everyone looks.
The walk of shame.
I go to my seat.
Slowly.
Teacher says,
What?
"Why are you late?"
Classic.
I say, "Bus."
Short answer.
Teacher says, "Bus what?"
Oh no.
I freeze.
Brain empty.
I say, "Bus slow."
Bus slow.
The whole class laughs.
That's actually funny.
Not then.
Poor you.
I still remember it.
See, school stays with us.
Forever.
Okay, we should stop here
Yeah.
because we have so many more stories.
Too many.
Classrooms.
Uniforms.
Detention?
Oh, detention.
That's a whole thing.
Next time.
Next page.
Yeah,
Let's continue.
definitely.
Don't go anywhere.
We're just getting started.
Okay. Detention.
Oh no, that word hurts.
Even saying it feels heavy
Detention felt like jail, but smaller.
and quieter.
Too quiet.
Why was it always so quiet?
To make you think.
Think about your bad life choices.
Exactly.
Did you ever get detention?
Yes.
More than once.
Yes.
What did you do?
Talking.
Always talking.
Talking, laughing, living.
Living is dangerous in school.
True.
I got detention for being late.
Being late is a crime.
I wasn't even that late.
Teachers disagree.
1 minute late.
1 minute equals forever.
Yes.
Detention room was always cold.
And boring.
No phone,
No talking.
just sitting.
Looking at the wall.
The wall knows your secrets.
The wall judges you.
School had so many rules.
Too many.
Rules about clothes,
Oh, uniforms.
uniforms,
Same clothes every day.
no style,
No personality.
just color.
And if it's wrong,
Teacher notices.
always.
Some teacher notices.
Wrong shoes,
Wrong shirt.
wrong life.
Exactly. But also, uniforms were easy.
True.
No thinking in the morning.
That's nice.
Did you ever fake being sick?
Maybe.
That's a yes.
One time, I really tried.
How?
I said my stomach hurts.
Classic.
My mom touched my head.
Oh no.
You're fine.
Game over.
I still had to go.
I pretended to sleep.
Didn't work.
Never works.
Parents are smart.
Too smart.
You know what I miss?
What?
End of school day.
Oh, yes.
That bell,
The best sound.
better than music.
Better than food.
Bags closing,
Chairs moving.
everyone rushing,
Freedom.
walking out with friends,
Talking about nothing.
or everything.
That was nice.
And then the last day of school.
Oh, wow.
That day feels different.
Lighter.
Smiles everywhere.
Teachers smiling too.
They're free too.
Yes.
Signing shirts.
Writing messages.
Good luck.
Don't forget me.
Emotional.
Very.
Graduation day.
Big day.
Clothes feel strange.
Parents taking photos.
Too many photos.
Smile.
Fake smile.
But inside, something real.
Yeah,
School chapter ends.
life starts.
Looking back, school was hard.
But important.
It shaped us,
Gave us stories.
gave us friends.
Gave us English.
Yes.
If I could say something to my school self,
What would you say?
relax.
Good advice.
Don't forget your bag.
Most important.
What about you?
I'd say enjoy it more.
Nice.
Laugh more, stress less.
School stress feels huge then.
But later, it feels smaller.
To everyone listening,
Yeah,
if you're in school now,
we understand you.
you're not alone.
Bad days end.
Exams end.
Homework ends.
One day.
And hey,
Yeah?
thank you for listening.
Really.
If you enjoyed this talk,
Please like the episode
subscribe to the One English podcast.
and leave a comment.
We love reading them.
Before we go,
One question.
just one.
What is your worst school memory?
Or funniest.
Tell us in the comments.
We'll read it.
And maybe laugh with you.
Or cry.
Probably both.
Okay.
That's it for today.
We'll talk again soon.
Same time.
Same voices.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.